Hizaun shoe. Jurabun sock. Bantulun trouser. Kamisun shirt. Libasun sobun dress. Hizamun belt. Fustanun frock. Fustanun frock. Or you can say gown. Himarun hijab or veil. Rabtatul unuqi tie. Qub'atun cap. So this is a dialogue between the buyer and the student, seller and the student. And this dialogue is in the bookshop of the university or college. I'll buy you the seller. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. At-talibu uridu mu'jaman min fadliga. Mu'jaman dictionary. Uridu mu'jaman, I need dictionary. I need dictionary. Ayyu mu'jaman, mu'jamin turidu. Which dictionary do you read? Ayya, which mu'jamin you dictionary. Turidu you need. Which dictionary you need? Uridul mu'jamal Arabiya. Uridu mu'jamal Arabiya. I need Arabic dictionary. I need Arabic dictionary. تفضل المعجم العربية. تفضل المعجم العربية. تفضل is used for the meaning of take. Like we use food. So here they are using تفضل المعجم العربية. Please take the Arabic dictionary. Please take Arabic dictionary. Arabic dictionary. Please take. So here, just remember tufaddil mu'jam al-Arabiyya. So tufaddal here give the meaning of take. Please take. Take the Arabic dictionary. Wa maza turidu aidan. And what do you want? Uridu kitab al-qira'ati. Uridu kitab al-qira'ati. I need a reading book. Wa kitab al-qawaidi and grammar book. Kitab al-qawaidi, grammar. Grammar book. I need reading book and grammar book. Haza kitabul qiraati. This is the reading book. Wa haza kitab qawaidi, and this is the grammar book. This is the reading book and this is the grammar book. Uridu daftaran wa qalaman. Uridu daftaran. I need notebook. Daftaran, notebook. Qalaman, pen. I need notebook and pen. Tafaddali daftara wal qalama. Please take the pen and please take the notebook and pen. Tafaddali daftara wal qalama. Please take notebook and pen. Hal turidu shay'an akhara? Do you want anything more? Do you want anything else? Do you want anything more? La, no. Wa shukran and thanks. No and thanks. Al matlubu salasuna rialan. Al matlubu required. 30 reals are required. So total amount of the books and everything he bought is 30 real. So shopkeeper is demanding 30 real. Al matlubu salasuna rialan. I required 30 reals. So you can translate to give a better understanding. 30 reals are required or needed. Maaza taqul. What you said? Maaza taqul, what you said? Salasuna rialan. 30 real. Naam salasu. Naam salasuna rialan. Yes, 30 real. Tafaddal. Hazihi salasuna rialan. Tafaddal, please take these 30 reals. Please take these 30 reals. This is the vocabulary. Mojamun dictionary. Daftarun, pen, notebook. Qalamun, pen. Rialun, real. Tafaddal, take. So, khuz. Tafaddal here we use in the meaning of khuz. We already have read in our lesson about the khuz. Khuz meaning take. So here tafaddal is giving the same meaning of khuz. Please take. Jamal Arabic dictionary. Kitabul Qira'ati, reading book. Kitabul Qawaidi, grammar book. Salasuna, 30. Yaqulu, he says or he is saying. It is present, we use it present or present continuous tense. He says or he is saying. This is about the dialogue. Hazal Hiwaru fil Maktabat till Jamiati. This dialogue happened in the university bookshop. So you have to say yes and no. Later you can read and you can find the correct answer from this dialogue. This one almost we have done yesterday. This is another. Marhaban ayya khidmatin. Marhaban, welcome. Ayya khidmatin, any help I can do? Uridu samakan, I want fish. Walahman, and meat. Wadajajan, and chicken. I need fish, meat, and chicken. Tafaddali samaka wal lahma wad dajaja. Tafaddali samaka, this is So we translate, please take fish, meat and chicken. Please take fish, meat and chicken. وَمَاذَا تُرِيدِينَ أَيْضًا, and what do you want more? What do you want more? أُرِيدُ خِيَارًا وَبَصَلًا وَطَمَاطِمًا. Khyaran, cucumber. Basalan, onion. Tamatima, tomato. Uridu khyaran, I need cucumber, onion and tomato. Tafaddalil khayara wal basala wat tamatima. Please take cucumber, onion and tomato. Wamaza turidina aidan, and what you want more? Uridu sukkaran wa shayan wa bunnan. I need sugar, sukkaran sugar, shayan chai, bunnan coffee bean. So bunnan mean coffee bean. Uridu sukkaran wa shayan wa bunnan, I need sugar, tea and coffee. Tafaddali sukkara wa shaya wal bunna. Please take sugar, tea and coffee. Hal turidina shayan akhara? Do you need anything more, anything else? Naam, tabaqa baydin wa ulbata milhin. Yes, the egg tray and ulbata milhin, salt pot. Milhin pot, salt. Yes, I want egg tray and salt pot. Haza tabaqul baida wa hadhihi ulbatul milhin. This is egg tray and this is salt pot. Tafaddal. Al-matlubu samanuna dinaran. Al-matlubu samanuna dinaran. 80 dinars are needed. 80 dinars are needed. Tafaddal. Please take hazihi samanuna dinaran. These are 30 dinars. Hazihi samanuna dinaran. These are 30 riyals. Okay, so brother, I will end the class and I will restart. You all brothers and sisters rejoin the meeting. We have another session.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So time is going to over. So our students rejoin the meeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.